Oh, good swing. Get out. Get out of there. Leave the park. His ass is right on the wall, dude. Gabe! Gabe! Swanson! Swanee bomb! Jeez, this dude is hot. You don't need a win for that one. Man on fire. He is Denzel Washington. Boom! Ah, skied it. Is that leaving too? Is that leaving? Wait, seriously? I thought that was easily foul. They're not going to overturn this. Come on. Hey, hey. Out number one. No, it wasn't. What the hell was that? What was that? What are you doing? What are you doing? All right, 3-0. Just walk him. Put him on. Just put him on. Best of luck to you guys. Oh.
Rocket comes set. Here's the 1-2 pitch. Bounced off the gear of the catcher, Karen. Now scoring on the play is Curlin. Caglione moves to third. Ball bounced in front of the plate. Took a wicked pitch, an error, and a walk in this inning. 3 free bases. Far for the Huskers.
God, of course. Tie game. Good job, guys. Yeah, with all your bullshit. Walk him. That's 4-0. Come on, get the first. Oh, get out. Get out, Beak. No, is it another foul? Whoa! Beak! I thought that was foul again. Hell yeah, man. 2-out rally. Hey, you got your 2 back. You got your 2 back. This guy's hitting 205. He's not good, and he's a senior. Stop nibbling. Don't walk him. Don't walk him. Throw it down the middle. I don't care. Of course. Oh, he's going to hit a gapper. Good for you, buddy. You hit 205, and you're a senior. Your OPS is like 600. Yeah, good job. Good job. First time you've had a hit all year. Good job, buddy. Ooh. He pulled a Nebraska. He should play for us. You're about to score a run, and you wipe out around third. Husker. Can we get out of this? Can we get out of this? Right. Oh, boy. I don't want to watch this at bat. Top 5 MLB pick. Italian Shohei Ohtani.
His 30th in the 9th inning yesterday. Here's the 1-1 pitch. Drilled to right. Is it fair? He is officially alien mode, folks.
Oh my God, dude. It's Barry Bonds. It's if the bases are loaded, we are still walking Caglione. The Barry Bonds treatment. It is what it is. Shit. Piss missile. Yeah. Down. Don't call it. Nope, that was up. No, that was way up. Come on, ump. Yeah, that giraffe is all smiling now. Hoo, 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 hoo. Oh. Okay, you called that a strike 2 seconds ago. Don't blame the umps. Even if they do bail out this giraffe with his 10 ERA. Jeez, this guy's not good. Gosh. I feel like that Gabe Swanson at bat was completely wasted, man. Bailed out. No! There's a part of me that says, hey, if you're going to strike out, then go down swinging. But when the opposing pitcher is not throwing strikes, but still gets bailed out, God, that's frustrating. This ump, I know I'm talking about the umps. It's a hard job. but you chose to do it. And if you don't know ball, then don't do it. You're bailing out this freaking 6'8" guy who can't throw a freaking strike to save his life. And you're bailing him out. You don't know ball, ump. I'm sorry, you just don't. Get a different job. Not blaming the umps whatsoever. Defense has been sloppy. That's what I'm blaming. Wild pitches. Caglione doing Caglione things. But it's okay to also admit that the ump just doesn't know ball at all. It's okay to say that. It's okay. Two things can be true at once. The ump just has zero game feel. It is what it is. It's fine. Bulldogs. Okay. Frelick. Rocking chair. Come on, Frelick. Clean inning, Frelick. Nope. This dude isn't good. He's not good. His nearly 10 ERA is proof of this. God, he stinks. Okay, tie it up this inning. You need to tie it up. While this pitcher is in, you need to score runs with this dingus pitching. Okay, good. Right at him. You hit the piss out of it. Right at him. What else can you do? Come on, is it going to drop? Oh, hey! Nope. Okay, go two, maybe? Are you fast enough? Good job, Case. Let's go. Let's get something going, guys. Are you serious? A freaking rain delay?